Hello, first grade. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mackinvia to access some books that you can use for research as we study all about chicks. So first you'll need to go to the internet on your device and go to Mackinvia. When you get to this page, you have to make sure that the school name is blank. Then for your password or your username, you'll type in Wilson, all lowercase, and the password is Rangers, all lowercase, Rangers. Then I'm going to press login. In our classroom, you've seen me come to this page a lot. This is where you can log into BookFlix or Brain Pop Jr. But right now I'm going to show you how to find our chickens books. So if you come over here to the left side, the red tab says groups. I'm going to click on groups. And then I'm going to click on first chickens. This is where you can do some of your own research about raising chickens. And we have books in here in English and in Spanish. In order to access a book, you'll press Open Now. And the book will come up on your screen. You can use these buttons at the bottom to go through the book. You can also just scroll down to go through the book. I hope this is helpful with you as you start your research about chickens so that you can help us raise our baby chicks.